Okay, thanks for sharing. Yeah, the Technomites. Real tricky that way. Alright, let's get this over with. Where are we going? Whoa, hang on there now. Be careful with that. Whew, that was a close one. Now let me have that water pistol, little fella. Whatever. Lacey's out of here. Let's get moving. Hey, it wasn't your fault. I'm just too stubborn sometimes. This doesn't look too hospitality. Maybe they put in false in the coordinate dates to throw us off the trail. Those cheetahs seem to have an unusually large door back in. What we don't know is why.